We all have that box, full of forgotten memories. It just sits there. What if it's worth thousands? I'm dead serious. Let me show you how. This sold for $425. This tea? $150. Add the right story. Boom! Value explodes. This promise ring? $1,800. People buy stories, not just things. Your junk? Someone's treasure. Why does this work? We love good stories, even sad ones. It's a power move. Turn pain into profit. We're all collectors. This is real history. Emotion has value. The data proves it. Step 1. Treasure hunt. Find your hero item. Best story wins. Step 2. Title magic. Not old sweater. Vintage cashmere with history. Step 3. Write the movie. Give them the story. Create the scene. Sell the feeling. Step 4. Price it right. Triple the value. Add a story premium. The magic tax. Package it beautifully. Presentation is everything. Where to sell? Etsy for the poetic. eBay for drama. Facebook for local. Your photos matter. Just one good light. Clean background works. Make it look expensive. See the transformation? Clutter becomes cash. That's the power. Your turn now. What will you sell? Comment your ideas. Subscribe for more magic. Turn baggage into bucks.